The butterfly roll is an accessible shoulder and back roll, and the coordination on this one is a little tricky, but once you get it down, it should feel pretty effortless. And it might take a little bit. I'll give you a few pointers on how you can still work with it even when you don't quite have it down. So I'm gonna come into this butterfly position, cobbler's pose, whatever you wanna call it, and I'm gonna start to roll over to my right hip. Now I'm gonna look over my right shoulder. As I start to roll here, and I'm gonna wrap my hands around my feet like this so I have a little bit more grip. As I start to roll over here and roll onto the shoulder, I'm gonna look over my left shoulder, and that's gonna allow me to roll in that direction. So if I were to do that same side, I'm gonna look over the right shoulder, left shoulder, and continue to roll on those hips, upper back, and shoulders as well. So if I travel over to the left, again, watch the shifting of the eyes, right? I look over the left shoulder, I'm rolling, boom, and then that allows me to come over. Left side, look over the left shoulder, drop over, switch, and then allows me to roll right back into the same position. So if that's really tough for you and you kind of get stuck, so let's say you kind of end up like here, well, then I can take this top foot that I'm gonna roll over to the left side. I'm gonna reach with my right foot and allow that to take me up into this half straddle position. I can come back to the butterfly and then I'll roll over to the left now. So I look over the left shoulder, switch to the right. Oh man, I'm stuck. I reach with the left foot, and that allows me to come up into the butterfly position. So practice that one. It's a little tricky. Once you get it down, you're gonna feel nice and relaxed through it. It should feel pretty good, and a nice way to just kind of roll around. Make sure you got a little padding though. It's gonna help.